Hi everyone! If you need to split a large PDF into smaller files, PDFsam Basic makes the process fast and simple. Whether you want to separate every page, split at specific page numbers, or create smaller PDF documents, this tool has you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to split PDF files using PDFsam Basic step by step. So let's get started. First, launch PDFsam Basic from your desktop shortcut or the Windows Start menu. Wait until the main dashboard appears. On the home screen, click the Split tool. This feature allows you to divide a PDF into multiple files using several different splitting methods. Next, click the Browse or Add button and select the PDF file you want to split. You can also drag and drop the file directly into the window. Now, choose how you'd like to split the document. You can split after every page, after a specific number of pages, at selected page numbers, or by file size, depending on your needs. Select the option that works best for your document. Next, choose where you'd like the new PDF files to be saved. Selecting a familiar folder, such as Documents or Desktop, makes the files easier to find afterward. When everything is ready, click the Run button. PDFsam Basic will process your document and create the new PDF files based on the split method you selected. The process usually only takes a few moments. After the process is complete, open the Output folder and review your newly created PDF files. Make sure they have been split correctly and contain the pages you expected. And that's how you split PDF files using PDFsam Basic. With several splitting options available, it's easy to organize large PDF documents exactly the way you want. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.